In this video, I want to share with you an Easter niche that I believe is going to make a lot of money this Easter season. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that Easter niche, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch on Demand. So today is Sunday, February 23rd, 6:30 a.m. in the morning, sitting at 0 sales. But yesterday I had a pretty good day. I did 40 sales right here and $50 in royalties. That is going to put me at 931 sales for the month and $1,179 in royalties for February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like family pics, gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So over my 7 to 8 years of experience on Merch on Demand, I have seen a common recipe for success in regards to seasonal niches. And that recipe for success is taking a seasonal niche that's coming up, so like Easter, for example, and cross-niching it with a current event, something that is going on in the news that everybody is talking about. Now, an example of this would be, if you remember last year or 2 years ago, there was that Halloween design that was going around saying, due to inflation, this is my Halloween costume. This was very clever because people were taking an upcoming holiday, which is Halloween, and cross-niching it with what everybody was talking about in the news or in society, which was basically inflation. You know, prices were going up, and so this was a very clever design, very funny, and it sold very well. A lot of people made variations of it. Another example of this was last year when Biden was the president and everybody wanted Trump back. And so what they were doing is they were cross-niching an upcoming holiday, which was St. Patrick's Day, and cross-niching it with Trump, saying that the Irish Trump was our president. So another very clever design right here. And so a big holiday that we have coming up is Easter. It does very well every year. And you know, if you think about it, what do people use during Easter? Well, they use Easter eggs. You know, they dye the Easter eggs. They do Easter egg hunts. Like if we go right here, we could see, you know, all the Easter eggs that people use for, you know, Easter is just very popular in the American culture. Now, when I was a kid, we just looked for candy, but a lot of people do these Easter egg hunts, things like that. And what has been going on in the news as of late? Well, the price of eggs have been absolutely skyrocketing, right? So why are our egg prices so high? You know, we have this one right here. Average price for a dozen eggs cracks $8. And it seems like it's just going to keep going up and up and up. I apologize for the motorcycle. So I have a feeling that, you know, if we combine these two niches, you know, Easter, and we cross niche it with the inflation of eggs, I think that's a really good recipe for success. And I haven't seen anything out on this yet, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And so what I did is I actually came up, I used my GPTs from my SKOOL community. Link is in the description. If you're interested, I'll get more into that later. But basically what I did is I used my GPTs to come up with some clever phrases where we can cross-niche Easter with, you know, the inflation of eggs. And also I used my other GPT to get some prompts. So I want to share those, basically those designs and prompts with you. So let's just go over to Ideogram right here and take a look at them. So here are some clever ones. And I have to admit, some of these are actually pretty funny, especially the last one. Kind of had me cracking up. So right here we got extortion. I really like this one because it's a play on words. There's actually 2 play on word ones, which I thought were very clever. But here's the first one. Extortion season is here. We got the Easter bunny looking like a businessman, like he's going to take all your money, and he's hiding the Easter eggs here in a bucket. Here we have golden eggs. No, just regular ones at today's prices, with the Easter bunny looking at the receipt and the eggs. Here we got, I found an egg, now I can afford rent. Now this could be scaled out. You can say, you know, I found an egg, now I can afford to pay my school loans. Now I can afford to, you know, buy that new car or whatever. You know, you can just kind of get creative here. This one I thought was funny too. The Easter bunny took out a loan for this year's eggs. You have him shopping with the Easter eggs and the receipt. Inflation, more like eggflation. I thought this one was very clever. Right here, another play on words. You know, this is like kind of like triple cross niche. We got Easter cross niche with the inflation of eggs, and then it's also a play on words. You know, if you've been on Merch on Demand, you know that these play on word designs tend to do very well. So this right here, I think is probably the best one, or the best phrase at least. You know, inflation, more like eggflation. Easter eggs, this treasure hunt. the treasure hunt that cost a fortune. So that's a good one for like parents. Here we're cross-nation Easter and Jesus and eggs. So Jesus paid the price, but not for these eggs. Egg hunt, more like bank heist, with the Easter bunny, with the egg, or with the money in the egg. And then right here we have this one right here, which I thought was the funniest. He has risen, and so have egg prices. He has risen is just a very popular Easter phrase or niche that we've seen do very well over the years. But here we're cross niche it with the price of eggs. So he has risen, and so have egg prices. So what I want to do with this video is, I'm actually going to show you how you can use these prompts. I have it for free, but basically I just want to give you the idea. There's probably a good chance that this year there's going to be in designs that are going to be selling well, where you take Easter and you cross niche it with the inflation of eggs, because inflation has just been in the news as of late for the past couple of years, but especially with eggs. And Americans use eggs for dyeing with the kids as like craft and arts, and then they also use it to do like Easter egg hunts. All right, and let me show you where you can actually get this for free. So if you click on the link in the description. Okay, so here it is right here, 10 Easter egg inflation prompts is for free. So if you're interested, you can click on that. What you get is you get this Word file right here. Let me show it to you. So this is what the free Word file looks like right here. Now I'm naming this niche Easter egg inflation niche. I do have to put a disclaimer on it. It is your responsibility to check for trademarks. I did check, and I didn't find anything for t-shirts. There were a couple that did have trademarks in pop sockets and in tumblers. So just double check and just make sure you're doing your due diligence and being responsible. But so right here you got the phrase like he has risen and so have eggs, and then you have the prompt, and there's 10 of these. Like I said, you can download these for free. Just click on this. All you have to do is just add it to cart, I believe, and you'll be good to go. Now I also have some other prompts if you're interested. So you can come up here and you can kind of shop or categorize by the categories. So like wall art prompts, monthly prompts, holiday prompts, evergreen prompts, free prompts. The ones that probably make the most sense are going to be like this bundle right here, because I have everything on 50% off. So if you want, you can get like 110 wall art prompts for only $7.50, 175 sports prompts for only $9.50, and then 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. Monthly prompts, so like a good one is going to be for like April, March. And then for holiday ones, I have St. Patrick's Day right here, Mardi Gras, and then I'm actually working on some Easter ones as we speak. I'll have those out, later this week. Autism, that's another one. Pi Day, this one's for free, so you can shop around. If you're interested, 50% off for today only. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community that I just recently opened about a week ago. So if you're struggling to get sales on merch on demand, if you have a hard time coming up with niche ideas, I have this SKOOL community which I named Mikey's Daily Niche Vault. And the reason why I called it Mikey's Daily Niche Vault is because every day, at 365 days of the year, doesn't matter if it's Christmas or my birthday, I'm sending you guys niches, evergreen niches, trending niches. It's usually about 3 to 4 niches each day. And I also give you prompts to go with those niches as well. So like an example of this would be like, I gotta find one. Also, let me go back up here, click on niches for 2025, and let's click on maybe like, let's go with this one. So like 6 days ago, I put out 3 niches right here, and you can see like you have like the niche, he who saves his country does not violate any law. So this was a trending niche. Trump said this in a quote the other day. But then I have some like evergreen ones right here. So it's a little mix. So maybe like trending niches, maybe like evergreen niches, but you're going to get ideas here that you can use. And it also comes with a prompt as well that you can use for ideogram. And then here you can see what the designs look like. You can actually just take these designs and upload them as is if you want, or you can kind of make your own. Then you have the classroom tab right here. So this is where you get access to all of my GPTs. This is a really good way to get SEO keywords. All you have to do is just upload your design or just type in the keyword, and it's going to give you an SEO or a listing that is loaded with keywords for your title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, and description. I actually have a video on this. If you just search my YouTube channel, people seem to really be liking it. This is if you want to get more prompts, so that not everybody is uploading or using the same design. You can upload your design, and it will go ahead and give you 9 other variations. It's going to switch out the phrase, it's going to switch out the design style, and it's also going to switch out the elements, like the clip art elements. So that's a really good one right there. This one is to get keywords for your AMS ad campaigns. And then here we have a crossover one, which is really cool. You can just type in upcoming holiday and it will cross niche with over 100 other evergreen niches like hobbies, food, animal, jobs and professions, things like that. And then I'm also going to be adding just some like extra value videos that I don't upload onto my YouTube channel. We also do a once a month Q&A section, Q&A Zoom call, and then you also get access to me. You can ask me any questions, and you're also part of a very positive group of like-minded individuals that are all trying to basically accomplish the same thing, which is to make lots of sales and money on Merch on Demand. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description. If not, it's all good. I will just continue making these YouTube videos for you guys, trying to give you as much value as possible. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you watch this one up here. It's going to be about the GPTs for the SEO for your merch listings. But hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.